Hello, this is Uwe working on my Juki 341, and this is a rare vertical video to show how my machine makes a stitch. My starting point here is the thread take-up lever is at the very top position, and I'm using the upper hole of the two that are in my take-up lever. At this position, the hook tip is almost exactly at noon. So I'm proceeding to very slowly turn a hand stitch here. So the needle goes down. At bottom dead center, I would say the tip of my hook is at roughly 7:30, if you imagine the needle to be at the 9 o'clock position. So the needle starts to rise, forming a loop, and the tip of the hook picks up that loop. The next important point is the moment where the bobbin case opener starts to open the case, which is roughly at this point here. So the bobbin case is being pulled back and the passageway under the throat plate opened, and the thread slips into it. And this is roughly the moment of maximum thread that needs to wrap around the hook. At this point, the check spring gets slightly engaged, but not overextended, so it provides tension to the thread to aid in wrapping the thread around the hook, but it is not maxed out, and it's the spring that provides the tension, not something else. So at this point, my bobbin case opener lets go off the bobbin case and the gap starts to open. The thread gets cast off the tip of the hook and easily slides through that opening between the bobbin case opener and the bobbin case. And it also easily gets cast off the hook gib that's on the underside that we cannot really see here. But there's no tension at all, no snags when I turn my machine very slowly by hand. The thread now simply gets pulled up by the take-up lever. As it gets to the very top of the motion here, the check spring does get overpowered, and this is the only time thread is allowed to be pulled from the spool to prepare for the next stitch. And the cycle starts again. On my machine, I'm using 1/38 thread, and it makes a very nice stitch, both top and at the bottom, nicely balanced, not pulled into the knot is being pulled into the material, and overall a very pleasing stitch to me. Hopefully this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.